Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're replacing the battery in your remote for your 2012 to 2017 Chevy Cruze, Chevy Sonic, or if you have a remote that looks like this for other vehicles, all right, it's all the same, and especially if you have a code inside the car when you're running the body control module, you may see a code for the battery getting low in the remote, and that's when you should change it. All right, simple to do. It has the blade right here. You just keep it open like that. And on the back side, there's two pieces. This piece you want to just pry open with your thumb. I already did it right from here. And you just pry it open. All right. And exposes the battery. It's right there. You just take it out. All right. Just wanted to show you the... It's a 2032, and you put it in this way, not this way. You just slide it back in. All right. You just clip it. All right. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then you go to the vehicle. Make sure it works. All right. And that's all there is to it. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions below pertaining to the video, just leave them. This has nothing to do with the remote programming. This is just a battery replacement, so you know ahead of time. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.